Hello and welcome to this quick presentation on the final project. Topic was Sqoop, a mechanism for transferring data and to and from Hadoop file system. The motivation to select this topic was the obvious benefit of this technology, which lies in the reality that there are just a huge amount of unstructured data stored in the SQL databases that can be brought into the Hadoop world to use its massively parallel processing power on one hand, and on the other hand, we can get the unstructured data from the Hadoop world to the transfer to the traditional database system for processing and subsequent analysis by using popular desktop applications, which I'm sure will appeal to business managers. The scope of the project included basically exchanging data between SQL Server and Hadoop and vice versa, and also with the Hive and HBase with the SQL Server database. And the resources employed were Windows 7 64-bit, Linux VM with MapReduce version 1 install, SQL Server Database 2.12, SQL Server Management Studio, SQL Data Generator, and also the other software installed with the Sqoop, Hive, HBase. So a lot of software that had to be installed here. Also, we had to install the JDBC driver and the MapReduce version 1 in Linux VM to connect the system to the DB instance in AWS. Overall experience was pretty good. What was straightforward was installing the Sqoop, Hive, HBase, and creating the DB instance was a breeze. However, what was challenging was installing the SSMS in Windows without installing the database and connecting the SSMS to the SQL Server DB instance in AWS. Also, transferring the data SQL Server in Hive was not an easy. It was quite time-consuming, and finding out where Hive and HBase store the data was also a challenging part. What was inconvenient was switching between all these applications, trying to execute all these permutations and combinations of data transfer. I hope you will find this topic more interesting and to get into more details. Thank you.